Lo que te quería decir es si ibas en dirección a Moya, que es porque había la opción de ir en...
Que en els últims 50 anys no ho havíem vist.
The truffle hunters who come here, normally they come to the restaurant and he buys the truffle. They say that it's the worst season for the last 50 years here in this area. Truffle with the different dishes. I think it's 9-10 dishes or courses. So he mix the wild and the farmed one. Okay. So and they will write us later the menu, so you will be able to know what you really eat. Okay.
Thank you so much.
A wine based in grapes from vines who's got 125 years. So, yeah, old vines, like a little treasure of Catalonia. Something not too strong. I don't really like too strong wines with the truffle, because the truffle has to be the star, exactly.
Very bright.
So the sumo is red grape, as they tell you. Local as well. The appearance and with some pine nuts and Iberian ham.
Thank you for coming. And the second thing is happy birthday, Adrian. Okay.
So we have these our Arbequim olives. They are not real olives, with anchovy mousse and onion, and small pieces of his bones. Okay, they are made from bread, so you can. And is made in a local town near where we live, in a special bakery. They make for us. So you have to dip this bread with the oil that we added, okay, because it's a variety of oil called picual, okay.
One is from Russian vine from California. So this is a Pinot Noir, so it's going to be a bit more earthy taste. Yeah. This one is done by Catalan people, Torres.
Thank you.
So you're starting officially the menu with a toasted millefeuille with some foie gras and black truffle.
Sure, is my dish this?
Yes, this is. Enjoy.
Thank you.
This is an onion soup with an egg cooked in a low temperature with meatballs, apple, and truffle.
Con trufa, que ahora creo que ponen una...
Pumpkin gnocchi.
Gnocchi with Iberic ham, black truffle. And now we had pour a Parmesan cheese juice. Okay, we recommend don't break the pumpkin gnocchi. You have to take all of it with a spoon, you know, because the pumpkin gnocchi, it has to break inside the mouth. You have to explode inside the mouth completely. Okay, we have the peas from the coast, from the Maresma, a town called Llavaneres, with a black sausage, pork belly, and black truffle.
And I think that we should have the beginning, and since we've done the 20 years.
He grew up in California, then he went back to Chile trying to make something and some truffle-related business. Really busy. It's so many years and...
Cannelloni with truffle in the cream.
Cool.
That is a bit of truffle.
Chicken cannelloni.
So I think it's something a bit different. You won't try it everywhere.
Style they have.
The
worst foods that were
Follow with the beef bone marrow, with beef tartare and black truffle. So we recommend to take this small spoon. We recommend to mix as well with the salad you have on the side with avocado and lettuce, because they will help you to do the digestion.
Yes. This is the truffle with pork belly.
This is the truffle papillon with Brussels sprouts and pork belly and foie. Okay, so we recommend to mix the truffle with the Brussels sprouts at the same time.
Fred, you're late.
Not all melted. Once I can smell
Like in the shop, così era come
And inside you've got some truffle as well, just homemade prepared. And on the side you've got a little marmalade of orange peel with some celery on the top. And I'm serving you a Catalan sweet occasion. So we've got low alcohol, conjugated fruit.
in some regions they have.
Thank you so much, guys, for bringing us to one of the best restaurants in the world.
Oh, come on, you're welcome. Thanks you guys for coming.
Currently have a funny situation or what older people, the young just keep complaining about the increasing load of things they have to pay. Not so much about mine, but about
I'm not sure if they grow anymore.
A mandarin sorbet. On the side you've got some
Toronto sanguíneo. It's an orange, like a blood.
blood orange, no? Bloody orange. Yeah, now I got it. And on the top you've got a granite of vermouth. So this is an Oloroso, the typical fortified wine from the south of Spain. You've got the big family is Jerez. And then the Oloroso is going to be a sweet one, sugar. And the other.
So did you tweet that out before?
You've got like a fake, like a fake forest. A fake forest, and you're gonna look for the truffle. You've got 4 truffles for a bowl. Exactly. Yeah, exactly. So you can pick.
Come on, take your hands dirty.
Okay,
Exactly.
that's my dessert.
So this is basically based on some ice cream of truffle with some dark chocolate. And you eat it everything with your fingers, like if you were in the forest.
Like
Looking for a truffle.
I pick up the truffles on you.
Lovely.
Exactly.
Come on, take that moss. Yeah. Smell the ground. Is it chocolate?
By making it.
Look at that.
You look like a magician.
No, tomorrow we can get Yes.
I think there's 2 missing.